Much has been said and written about our education system. Many successful Indians may have acquired tertiary qualification from top-notch universities in the US or Europe, but the foundations were built and strengthened by a team of hard-working school teachers in India. Can we do more to strengthen the existing system? Can we complement the brilliant work being done in our schools, primary level onwards? Can we play our part in creating the next thinker, scientist and philosopher? Research says that science is best taught hands-on. Experience tells us that there are multiple benefits of doing so. The process of learning is much more effective and the classes are fun-filled for the teacher and the taught.
Our mission is to contribute to the spirit of curiosity and questioning in young minds and help them imbibe the scientific method. Something which gives a lot of pride for us as founders is when we see the school timetable clearly dedicating slots for each grade for ScienceHopper classes, right, which is along with science teacher.
The scientific approach of trial and error welcomes mistakes and interprets it as valuable information and not as a failure. That is not just a lesson in science, it's a lesson for life.
ScienceHopper came up to us, we had a stall put up in our community. They came and they said, this is what we're going to do. They gave us pamphlets and stuff and we were like, okay, another person who's going to come and explain science probably to the kids. But we nevertheless, decided to put our children in this course and they've had a lot of fun. Including learning things in extreme, unique ways. So when ScienceHopper came second time around, it was more like, they're coming, I want to go.
We are here to revolutionize the children's perception of science and their affinity to the subject through systematic, repeated and consistent engagement, all at an impressionable age.
We strive to build on our trust with every school that we work with, even before the world at home, which is why the starting point of any relationship is a free trial class for the school management and the teachers to get a complete first-hand experience of ScienceHopper's delivery model. From there on, we continue the relationship through giving them completely customizable content, a free teacher training workshop, and in-class support in the form of a science coach. Now, even the way we develop content, there is a purely big focus on science as a method, then as a body of knowledge. So, in every experiment that the child does, we would expect them to hypothesize, experiment, observe the results, note down the readings, and then conclude. So there is a lot of focus on trial and error and the learning that comes thereof, rather than just focusing on completing the experiment and coming up with the right answer. During delivery, we will keep insisting that the process of learning is as important as arriving at the outcome, and therefore children are allowed to make mistakes and learn from them.
Our teachers are ready to experiment with anything new. So I didn't have to think twice. We just took the whole concept forward. And a very tempting factor in this whole program was a representative from ScienceHoppers with us. Because whatever it is, when we give a ready-made product to a teacher, it is not their brainchild. So possibility is there that they will not implement it the way it has to be done. So when we have someone from their own group working with our teachers, internalization happens better is what we believe. So it was nice that we had the representatives coming for all the classes, and the kind of material they were using was also new and the latest kinds. So we didn't have to think much on how we have to run it. The entire thing was taken over by them, and the support was from the teachers of our school, and it was a learning process both for the child as well as for the teacher.